8 ways to earn money from Metaverse. 1. Play to earn games. Play to earn games on Metaverse will give users the opportunity to earn crypto rewards. Though there aren't as many monetary rewards offered by Metaverse experiences as there used to be, they are expected to become more popular than traditional gaming methods. 2. Online shopping or virtual clothing. In Decentraland, clothing for avatars, known as wearables, can be bought and sold on the blockchain in the form of a crypto asset called a non-fungible token, NFT. NFTs exploded in popularity earlier this year, as speculators and crypto enthusiasts flocked to buy the new type of asset, which represents ownership of online-only items such as digital art, trading cards, and land in the online world. 3. Create and monetize VR games. Like 3D accessories, one could design and publish end-to-end games in VR. This does not necessarily require advanced technical skills. People can combine basic storytelling skills with VR design platforms like Horizon Worlds to make money from this source. For example, a VR version of Google's iconic dinosaur game could work equally well for user adoption and monetization. 4. Conduct Metaverse events. This is already an extremely popular way to make money in the Metaverse. Live concerts by real artists can attract massive crowds, and organizers can charge users in the form of paid tickets. Warner Music has already partnered with Metaverse platform The Sandbox to create a virtual concert hall. Snoop Dogg's recently acquired Death Row Records is poised to become an NFT label, and the artist has already purchased a large block of land on the Metaverse, offering additional revenue generation streams. 5. NFT Freelance Artist. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are blowing up. These digital collector's items are sold in groups of unique pieces that can number in the tens of thousands per collection, which means there's a growing need for graphic designers and illustrators who can help create them. For enterprising creators who are willing to learn a little about this new investment craze, the payoff could be major, especially if your compensation includes a cut of the sales proceeds of the NFTs you help design. 6. Become real estate dealer of prime properties. The most prominent agents diving headfirst into the nascent category of virtual real estate are focused primarily on 2 blockchain-based metaverses, The Sandbox and Decentraland. Both of these worlds allow users to purchase virtual plots of land with unique digital tokens known as NFTs. One can make a lot of money by becoming a real estate dealer of prime properties in the Metaverse. 7. Metaverse architecture and designer. For architects, the chance to design in a permissive utopia is surely one of the most tantalizing possibilities in the emerging network of digital worlds known as the Metaverse. The rush of brands and companies looking for a Metaverse presence is creating a cottage industry of architects and designers producing 3D models of buildings. 8. Open art gallery. There's a huge push towards NFTs and virtual art that everyone is buzzing about. It's not just a trend, even the top art experts agree that this new virtual space for art is going to transform and expand the industry in huge ways. While in-person galleries aren't going away, virtual reality art galleries are offering people expanded accessibility, incredible digital experiences, and a new way to enjoy the fine works of upcoming artists. Opening your art gallery is one of the best ways to make money in the Metaverse. Get started and make bank.